Alright, here we go. We're going to show you how to create a split on the Roland XP-30. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're in the template. So press the perform button and you want to go to pop set 1 or PRA. So turn the dial to PRA number 12, pop set 1. And you want to make sure it says layer in the upper right corner. To do that, hold down shift, which is over here. Hold down shift. You want to hit the solo button, which is over here, and it should say layer in the upper corner over here. Next thing you do is now we want to set our key ranges. So back up. Next thing we want to do is we want to hit our two parts, because we want to have two sounds going. So hit part 1 and part 2. Now we want to set our key ranges for those two parts. So disengage part 1, hit the edit button, go under common, which is the setting for a key range, and it says part 2, but you hit the arrow buttons. Hit 1, so we're setting part 1, set the key range. So I'm going to go to say C3. So cursor over to upper, turn the dial, C3. Alright, so now I need to do set the upper range, so I gotta go to part 2. So hit part 2, and we're gonna go change the lower, so cursor under lower and go there. I went to C3, so I don't want I'll do C#3. So we have our key range set for the left hand, right hand. Next thing we want to do is pick our sounds. So you go ahead and exit out of here. And so now we want to pick our sounds for our different parts. So just use the left right arrow buttons to go between your parts over here, and you'll say your part in the upper right corner. So let's go to part 1, pick a sound for that, hold down perform and patch. Let's pick a bass for that side. I'm gonna hit category, bass, pick a bass sound. Let's see here, simple bass. Let's see, pick a bass for that side. Alright, slap bass. Now I'm going to hit part 2. I'm going to pick a piano for this side. So category, let's pick a piano. Pick a different piano. Alright, so I have a piano on the right hand. So now I exit out of here. So now I have bass on one hand. You see the light when I hit that? It's kind of flickering. Then my piano is flickering on the right hand. So that means my two sounds. Now I want to save this. I'm going to press the utility button over here, and right is going to be blinking in the screen. Press the enter button and ask me what user location. This is my first one, so I'm going to go to number 1, and then I'm going to hit enter, and it should say completed. If the memory protect comes on, just turn the dial to off and then hit the enter button again. So now when I turn off the keyboard and turn it back on, it'll have my split. And if I want to give it its own name, instead of this pop set 1, which is the template, just hit edit, go to common. Here you could give it a name on the perform name, you could change it, and then exit out, and just write it again, just like you did before. hit enter, and now I got my name. So there you go. Creating a split on the Roland XP-30 and saving it.